Yes, I can see that. No, ma'am, this is not a delivery.
I'm sorry. No, I know it's not funny.
Ma'am,
I'm trying to call her from
can you please let me do my job here? Ma'am, how you doing in there? Can you read? Ma'am, okay, I've got you right here. Okay, I'm gonna call.
I think her skin is stuck.
I need you to stop. Okay, right here.
Ahora, ¿qué se va a hacer algo así como?
Further into the machine.
Get her out from this.
Great. So all you need to do is that way. Now great. Now what's your head stuck up?
My head, there's turn here that used to be, and it's
Perfect.
okay.
Okay.
You need to go out the way you came. You went in. Yes, with your. She went in butt first, so she's got to come out butt first. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
there.
yes, yes, yes.
There. Keep coming. Okay, I'm gonna here we go. Just out like this.
Okay.
All right, hang on. Lady.
Okay. Keep your foot right there because that's a good place.
No, okay. I know.
Right where it was. Yeah.
Okay, right here. You ready?
Oh my gosh.
Miss, we're trying to help you. Your friend is a bad friend out here. She's not doing a very good job helping. Okay? Now, we just need to open this thing up. It looks like the link trap is
She's
away.
completely shocked.
Miss, you doing okay? I'm going to pull out this link trap here. Look out right here.